pala. He was here. You know what? I was asking my son before when like we were conceptualizing shows. I go, babe, would you like to have your own YouTube channel or maybe your own YouTube show? Yeah, no. So, si 30, he's busy with school and you know naman how school can be so demanding. Mondays hanggang Fridays, nasa school yan. But if I can ask him...
Anong mensahe mo sa mga fellow vloggers na nagkakalat ng fake news?
It's always good to do due diligence and to do fact-checking before you send out something out there. Knowing na you have followers, knowing you have a platform, I just hope that these platforms are used responsibly. Because you just don't know kung sinong buhay ang naaapektuhan ninyo dahil sa mga fake news na lumalabas. So, if you're given a platform, use it responsibly. Parang use it wisely. Parang instead of using it to just like tear people down or just for what? For you're gonna spread fake news for likes and comments and whatnot. I mean, is this something that you can be proud of? Is this something that you can tell your children na, anak, nagsispread ako ng fake news? So, there. Thank you.
Thank you, Jody, and
Oh, certified vlogger ka na talaga eh, no? Uy, I just wanna make mention, no? Bukod sa mga press, may mga fans din pala dito, Jody. Jody Natix, tama ba ako?
Thank you for being here.
Nakakatuwa naman yung mga Jody Natix. Okay, before I give the... Ito pala, si Chad Rosario of Manila Feed.
Hi, Chad.
Hi, Jody! Congratulations! Ayan. For sure, marami na yung gustong maging part ng YouTube channel mo, mag-guest mo, at gusto mo rin i-guest. Sino-sino yung mga gusto mong i-guess at saang show mo sila gustong i-guess at bakit?
For me kasi, parang if there are people like interested in like not just guesting or maybe if you think that you have something good to share, then maybe we can actually not just do a collaboration but just to like maybe get you to be a part of the channel and have your own show, diba? So, yeah.
Pero yung personal mong choice, Jody, sino ang gusto mong makasama sa travel? And then sa Let's Drink to That, sino yung gusto mo ring magkaroon ng parang bookingan session or celebrating success?
Naku, baka sila ang kasama ko sa Let's Drink to That. Baka biglang sila yung ma-elbow pag ayun ang, okay lang ba? Hindi. No, for travel, I guess, well, kasi sila yung lagi kong nakakasama ngayon because of taping. And napag-usapan natin yan na parang, kung magta-travel, si AC, sasama ko sa Cambodia. Saan? Walaan niyo kung saan. Sa Paris.
Wow!
Gusto niya.
Mayaman yung itsura ng Paris. Pero iiwanan daw niya ako. Walang ating budget.
So, yun.
Okay, last question. Without spoiling yung magiging pilot nyo, no? Ano-ano na yung mga parang unforgettable moment mo while filming yung mga iba-ibang segment na dapat abangan ng mga viewers?
For Live Light, particularly, I can't say na parang I have like, a favorite segment. Kasi parang pakiramdam ko, lahat ng mga topics na nagawa namin for our first season, yes, isang season na yung natapos natin, are parang important for, for mga discussions, ganyan, something to ponder on. With Let's Drink to That, every taping day with these two is just like, parang fun. Minsan nga, lumalagpas na kami dun sa time namin kasi nauuna pa yung mga chikahan. And, but what we really want to highlight sa Let's Drink to That is the stories of yung mga people na fini-feature namin. Their stories of victory na hindi lang sila, or family sila, but then tayo din yung nagbe-benefit. At kung ano man itong sinasabi ko, kailangan abangan ninyo kung bakit tayo din yung magbe-benefit dun sa mga stories ng mga taong yon. And then for JSM Travel and Tours, may mga lugar kaming napuntahan, may mga cities kami na pinuntahan. Nag-start muna kami with NCR. Na-realize ko na, grabe no, pwede pala tayong mag-travel at makonsider mo yun na travel without riding a plane or maybe traveling too far. Kasi ang daming mga hidden gems, even mga, let's say, small cafes, mga startup businesses, mga art galleries na hindi gaanong napag-uusapan. So, parang yung mga tipong isang jeep lang nandun ka na, mag-i-enjoy ka at marami ka pang matututunan.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chad. Now we have Julie.
Namin, nung papunta kami dito, hindi ganito kabonggang YouTube channel. Pero may mga iba-iba kang shows, at mukhang lalaki pa, di ba? Pero parang gastos. Hindi ka ba na-shock? Kasi feeling ko, it's so hard na, it's so hard na mabawi ka agad, di ba? Talagang ang feeling namin lahat, eto nga si Dix Almacen, sabi niya, mukhang napakagastos ng YouTube channel ni Jolie.
Well, tama ka naman dyan. Joke lang. Well, it is an investment for me. I'm investing in the show because I believe in the show's cause. And naniniwala, kasi it's something na pinaniniwalaan ko talaga. And gusto kong pasalamatan ng aking production manager because sobrang galing niyang mag-budget. Salamat for keeping our costs low. And syempre, kung nakikita niyo ngayon sa place kung saan natin ginagawang official media launch, gusto nating pasalamatan yung mga suppliers na nandito ngayon because nandito sila dahil pinaniniwalaan din nila ang The JSM channel and nandito sila with all their hearts. So maraming salamat for being part of this.
Yan, pero syempre good luck, no? Pero yung iba kasi, si kala na.
Ano yun? Po tayo mag-away-away.
Pero Jolie, yan. Yung iba kasi, what they do is puro mga pagpa-prank, mga gano'n. Pero ikaw talaga, pinag-usipan mo yung channel mo. May mga rin, gagawin kang immersion. Mag-immersion ka rin. Yung mga ibang mga ipipicture mo dito, gagawin mo yung buhay nila.
Yung immersion part, nasa ano po yan nasa travel and tours. Because, for example, if I may share that there was one community na pinuntahan po namin in Malabon, it's called Amapo. Sila po yung asosasyon ng mga magbabayong ng Atis Potrero, Malabon. So we went there, nagpaturo po tayo sa mga nanay natin doon kung paano po gumawa ng bayong. And nakakatuwa lang malaman na yung pagbabayong nila, nakapagpaaral sila, nakapagpatapos sila ng